Hello again, welcome to another tutorial with Hat and Sladen. On this video we will be doing a head morph using a second model as a reference shape. Now as you can see, I have already imported a female version of the Genesis model into my ZBrush workspace. I will now import a second tool, which is this cartoonish pony head. It is torn from a model that was created by an artist on DeviantArt.com called KP Shadow Squirrel. He has them free for download on that website. So if you want to simulate this tutorial, please go to the site that will be linked in the description. First, what we need to do is go back to our female form. As you can see, I was working on another model as a DAS morph. Go down to the Insert button of the Subtools drop-down menu. Insert your model for reference. And now we are going to change the scaling of this model. Before we do that, make sure symmetry is turned on because that makes the whole thing easier. I'd recommend first doing it from the side with perspective view turned off so you're in orthographical view. We create a bone or a control node and we scale it down from one of the furthest away nodes. Turn to our move it into place. Now, as you can see, that's pretty good with the scaling. All right, yeah, that's very good. It may take you a few times to get it right, a few tweaks and scaling up, scaling down. So, now that we have that model in place, we can go back to our original, turn on ghost mode, make sure that we've masked off the eyes and mouth because we're going to be needing those later. And now, using our various move tools and smooth tools, we can start shaping this model more into the head shape of the reference model. Now I will be doing this slightly more realistic than the base model, so the eyes will not be quite as huge or as oddly shaped as they are in the reference model. Reason why I'm going through this so quickly is because I have attempted this several times and failed miserably on it. Note I am using the regular move tool or regular move brush as opposed to the move topology brush because I want to make sure that these eyelashes are staying in roughly the same area that I want them to be at the end. Now if you're having trouble seeing the model, you simply go over to here in your subtool palette, click the eye of the model you want to make invisible, and you can see a bit more of your progress. Or, as we've said before, go down to Preferences, Draw, and turn the front opacity down. That also gives you a bit more view of your model. At this point, it's going to be taking a lot of pushing and pulling, tweaking, and stuff, but you should get the general idea. of this tutorial, and I will show you in the next video a more finished product. Thank you for listening, and see you next time.